Let's get into the Azure portal and see where you can configure the ASR. On this site recovery page, you are looking at the starting point to set up disaster recovery using Azure Site Recovery. This interface makes it incredibly easy for you to protect your virtual machines by simply following the steps under each category. If you are protecting Azure virtual machines, just click Enable Replication, then move on to Manage Recovery Plans. A recovery plan is crucial. It helps you define the order in which your VMs are brought back online, automate post-failover tasks, and maintain business continuity during an outage. If you're working with VMware or Hyper-V environments, you will first prepare the infrastructure, then enable replication, and finally create your recovery plan. Everything here is screen guided, so you can confidently walk through the setup for replication and recovery in a structured way. Now that you've understood the site recovery page, it's time for you to put it into action. Start by selecting Azure Virtual Machines under Site Recovery. You will begin by enabling replication for your VM. Just follow the guided steps on the screen. Choose the source region where your VM currently runs and the target region where you want it protected. You'll configure replication settings such as the storage, network, and policy. Once your VM is replicated, head over to the Replicated Items section. From there, select your VM and initiate a test failover. This lets you safely validate that everything works as expected without impacting your production workload. After you're comfortable, go ahead and try a planned failover. This simulates a real recovery scenario, giving you first-hand experience of restoring services in another region. Make sure to also explore the recovery plans. They let you group multiple VMs together and automate the failover sequence. An absolute must during large-scale disaster recovery. By doing this exercise, you'll not only learn the tool, but you'll build the muscle memory to respond confidently in real incidents.